Welcome to our journey through the fascinating world of early drug development. Before the modern pharmaceutical industry emerged, people relied on natural remedies and traditional knowledge to treat illnesses. This era was marked by curiosity, experimentation, and sometimes pure chance. In this video, we'll explore the pivotal breakthroughs and discoveries that laid the foundation for today's medicines. From ancient herbal concoctions to the first laboratory experiments, each step brought humanity closer to understanding how to combat disease. Let's begin by looking at the roots of medicine and how early civilizations contributed to the science of healing. Long before chemistry labs and clinical trials, ancient cultures developed their own methods for treating ailments. Egyptians, Greeks, Chinese, and Indians all used plants, minerals, and animal products as medicines. These remedies were often passed down through generations, forming the basis of traditional medicine. Some of these early treatments, like willow bark for pain relief, would later inspire modern drugs. The knowledge gained from centuries of trial and error was invaluable, even if the mechanisms behind these cures were not yet understood. This ancient wisdom set the stage for future scientific exploration. Civilizations advanced, so did their approach to medicine. Alchemy, a blend of mysticism and early science, played a crucial role in the transition from traditional remedies to chemical experimentation. Alchemists sought to transform substances and discover elixirs of health, inadvertently laying the groundwork for modern chemistry. Their experiments with distillation, extraction, and purification introduced new ways to isolate active compounds from natural sources. Although their goals were often fantastical, alchemists' methods and curiosity paved the way for systematic drug discovery. 18th and 19th centuries saw the emergence of pharmacology as a scientific discipline. Researchers began to systematically study how substances affected the body, moving away from superstition and anecdote. This period marked the beginning of controlled experiments and documentation. Scientists like Friedrich Serduner, who isolated morphine from opium, demonstrated that specific compounds could be responsible for medicinal effects. These discoveries were crucial in shifting drug development from art to science, setting the stage for more targeted therapies. One of the most iconic breakthroughs in early drug development was the transformation of willow bark into aspirin. For centuries, people used willow bark to relieve pain and fever, but it wasn't until the late 19th century that scientists isolated its active ingredient, salicin. Through chemical modification, Felix Hoffmann at Bayer created acetylsalicylic acid, known today as aspirin. This marked a turning point as it demonstrated how traditional remedies could be refined into standardized, effective medicines. Aspirin's success paved the way for future drug discoveries. The early 1800s, Friedrich Serduner made a groundbreaking discovery by isolating morphine from opium. This was the first time a pure compound was extracted from a plant and used as a medicine. Morphine revolutionized pain management and set a precedent for isolating active ingredients from natural sources. Serduner's work demonstrated the power of chemistry in drug development and inspired other scientists to search for new medicines in nature. The isolation of morphine was a major milestone in the history of pharmacology. Quinine, derived from the bark of the cinchona tree, became the first effective treatment for malaria. Indigenous people in South America had long used cinchona bark for fevers, but it was European explorers who brought quinine to global attention. In the 19th century, chemists isolated quinine, making it possible to produce consistent doses. This breakthrough not only saved countless lives, but also demonstrated the value of studying traditional remedies. Quinine's success encouraged further exploration of natural products for drug development. Late 19th and early 20th centuries witnessed a shift from natural products to synthetic drugs. Chemists began to design and create new compounds in the laboratory, opening up possibilities beyond what nature could provide. The synthesis of chloral hydrate, the first synthetic sedative, marked the beginning of this new era. Synthetic drugs allowed for greater control over purity, dosage, and safety. This innovation laid the groundwork for the pharmaceutical industry as we know it today. Paul Ehrlich, a pioneering German scientist, introduced the concept of the magic bullet, a drug that could specifically target disease-causing organisms without harming the patient. His work led to the development of salvarsan, the first effective treatment for syphilis. Ehrlich's approach combined chemistry, biology, and medicine, and his vision of targeted therapy continues to influence drug development today. The idea of designing drugs for specific diseases was revolutionary and set the stage for modern pharmaceuticals. Discovery of antibiotics was a turning point in medical history. In 1928, Alexander Fleming noticed that a mold called Penicillium notatum killed bacteria in his laboratory. This accidental observation led to the development of penicillin, the world's first antibiotic. Penicillin's ability to treat bacterial infections transformed medicine and saved millions of lives. The success of antibiotics sparked a wave of research into other antimicrobial agents, forever changing the landscape of drug development. Before antibiotics became widespread, sulfa drugs were among the first synthetic medicines to effectively treat bacterial infections. Discovered in the 1930s, sulfanilamide and related compounds offered hope against deadly diseases like pneumonia and meningitis. These drugs worked by inhibiting bacterial growth, and their success demonstrated the potential of synthetic chemistry in medicine. The development of sulfa drugs marked a new era in the fight against infectious diseases and inspired further innovation. As drug development advanced, the need for standardization and regulation became clear. Early medicines varied widely in strength and purity, leading to inconsistent results and potential harm. Governments and scientific organizations began to establish guidelines for drug production, testing, and labeling. This shift ensured that medicines were safe, effective, and reliable. Standardization was a crucial step in transforming drug development from a craft to a rigorous scientific process. Clinical trials became an essential part of drug development, providing a systematic way to test new medicines for safety and effectiveness. Early trials were often informal, but over time they evolved into carefully designed studies with strict protocols. This approach helped identify potential side effects and ensured that only beneficial drugs reached the public. The introduction of clinical trials marked a major advancement in the scientific evaluation of new treatment. Two world wars accelerated drug development as the need for effective treatments grew urgent. Soldiers faced infections, injuries, and diseases on a massive scale, prompting governments to invest in research. Penicillin and sulfa drugs became vital tools on the battlefield, saving countless lives. The wars also led to advances in mass production and distribution of medicines, shaping the modern pharmaceutical industry. This period highlighted the importance of rapid innovation in times of crisis. Vaccines represent another major breakthrough in drug development. Edward Jenner's work with smallpox in the late 18th century demonstrated that exposure to a harmless form of a disease could provide protection. Over time, vaccines were developed for many infectious diseases, drastically reducing illness and death worldwide. The science of immunization continues to evolve, but the early successes of vaccines remain a testament to the power of preventive medicine. Discovery and isolation of hormones, such as insulin, opened new frontiers in drug development. In the 1920s, Frederick Banting and Charles Best successfully extracted insulin, offering hope to people with diabetes. This achievement demonstrated the potential of biochemistry in creating life-saving therapies. The ability to produce and purify hormones revolutionized the treatment of endocrine disorders and inspired further research into biological medicine. Identification of vitamins and their role in health was another milestone in early drug development. Scientists discovered that certain diseases were caused by deficiencies in essential nutrients. The isolation and synthesis of vitamins like C and D allowed for the prevention and treatment of conditions such as scurvy and rickets. This new understanding of nutrition expanded the scope of drug development beyond treating disease to promoting overall health. While early drug discoveries brought immense benefits, they also revealed the risks of side effects and misuse. Some medicines like morphine and early sedatives led to addiction and other health problems. These challenges underscored the need for careful testing, regulation, and education. The lessons learned from these experiences continue to shape how new drugs are developed and monitored today, ensuring that benefits outweigh risks. History of early drug development is filled with stories of collaboration between scientists, doctors, and even patients. Sharing knowledge and resources accelerated discoveries and improved outcomes. International cooperation became especially important as diseases crossed borders. The spirit of innovation and teamwork remains central to drug development, driving progress and inspiring new generations of researchers. Breakthroughs and discoveries of the early drug development era laid the foundation for modern medicine. Each innovation built upon the last, creating a legacy of scientific progress and hope. The lessons learned from these early efforts continue to inform research, regulation, and patient care. As we look back, we can appreciate the courage, curiosity, and determination that drove these pioneers to improve human health. As we conclude our exploration of early breakthroughs in drug development, it's clear that the journey is far from over. The challenges faced and lessons learned continue to inspire innovation in the search for new treatments. Today's scientists build on the achievements of the past, using advanced technology and global collaboration to tackle diseases old and new. The story of drug development is one of constant evolution, driven by the desire to heal and improve lives.